here it is. I'm gonna replace my Spone Performance control arms, alright, with something that's got a little bit more guarantee pack behind them. Ain't got so much hate, you know, following around. See, I put this little thing in there, right? It prevents them from laying to the side so they don't clickety clank and run like chit, but they just still can't handle it all and they don't got a guarantee. So I got some arms finally. I'm not the first one and I won't be the last to have them. If you do get some, hopefully, you know, you mention my name. But anyway, Core 4x4. Wow. Hot damn. I am getting ready to put them on. But I want you to, hot damn, check this out. The customer service over at Core 4x4 is above the rest. This place, just on customer service alone, they can sell me anything. Alright, I got a Jeep. I think I'm gonna order their arms for my Jeep too. Wow. Hardware kit. Alright. This is the stock arm, what I'm doing with that. Right, you see it bolt. And what I'm doing, you know, twisting the head right here until these line up. Alright, go through. Oh, damn it. I already did this one. Flip it over, right? Put my little Loctite and then I tighten that up right there. Alright, that's that easy. That's how I'm doing that's how I'm doing my alignment on these my measurements and whatnot. I'm cheating. Just using the stock one, right? If you don't have one to cheat with, just pull one off at a time on your truck. Alright, and then measure it up, get it all ready, tighten it up and put it on, you know. Repeat the process till all four are done. Anyway, badass Core. They will keep my business and I hope I get them business. Alright, these things are heavy duty. One of these weigh, alright, as much as four of the stock ones. As much as four as the Spone arms. I know for a fact these ain't gonna break. There's no way. How? Wow, Johnny joints. More badass than I thought. Hot damn. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put one side on. Alright, and then I'll show you how I put it on. I kind of do it maybe unsafe or in a non-recommended fashion. But that's the way I like to do it. I've put a few arms on and off. So kind of know what I'm doing, you know, or what I want to do. So here we go. Let's do this. Damn, I'm excited. Hot damn. All right, hot damn. This is what I'm doing. I'm putting these beefy ass arms right here. All right, on my truck. I got the driver's side done. I'm gonna do the passenger side here in a minute. Kind of show you how I'm doing it. All right, I'm putting a jack under the differential. All right, if I lift here, all right, it's gonna make the hole right here, all right, go this way. All right, let's see how to go this way. If you jack up right here, all right, it's gonna make this hole go that way. So when this doesn't line up in the holes when you're trying to take them off and put them on, all right, you're gonna want to use a jack to rotate the differential. All right, now you're gonna put the Johnny joint in the front, and I recommend putting that one on first and then putting this on second. All right, it's a little bit easier, or was easier for me. All right, now I want you to check this out, how beefy they are compared to the Spone. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, my little, this is how I was getting the Spone not to clank, right? Getting them to sit straight up and down. If you look at this, I could probably find on here, I'm trying to, marks from where it's clanking. Here comes someone in there hot. Knot rod, we'll call it a knot rod. Alright, there went a knot rod. Okay, so anyway, to show you how beefy they are. Wow, they are really beefy. I'm really digging these joints. Man, Hot damn. All right, let's do this other side now. Here we go. First thing I did, I released the pressure on the jack. All right, took it off the differential for right now because I don't need it. All I'm going to do is start breaking these bolts loose. I kind of broke this one loose a little bit already. All right, so I'm going to start breaking these down, and I'm going to do the top arm first. All right, because if I do the bottom arm first, and then I do the top arm, and I accidentally drop the top arm onto the bottom arm, then I scratch the bottom arm, right? Now, I don't care about this old one, so if I drop the new top one onto the bottom one, I won't care, right? Won't care about the old one. All right, so here we go. Let's get it done. I want to get this done. It's one of them damn things, right? Got to work tomorrow. You know, family wants me to do stuff for them, of course, all the time. Kids, hot damn. All right, yeah, I'm using professional tools. I got air tools. I don't feel like dragging all this stuff out. I can just, hot damn, I can do this, right? I can bench press. I can do some pulls and stuff. Jeez. What's wrong with shit? Damn it, y'all should have caught that. It's not the control arm. I'm gonna have to take care of that now. This is the control arm. Come on, baby. Control arm. Let's get it off. Problems everywhere. Let's get it going. Yeah. Okay. Should be close enough. We can break it down. Take it out. And I'm back. Where we going with this? Oh, there we go. But I got new hardware. Nope, it's not ready. Not ready. Yeah. Easy. Oh, you're a prick. Oh. All right, it's not hard. I promise, man. I'm trying to tell y'all it's not hard, really. I'm just making it hard. Oh, there we go. Oh, you're standing up here. That means you should be my friend up here, right? Don't. It's happening. It's working. It's working. Careful, you don't have one of these things fall in your face. I had that happen to me. It hurts. Trust me, I know. That's how it feels. Oh, see? Jeez. All right, so it's pretty well stuck in there, right? The bolts. I'm not really going to mess with it. I'm going to loosen the other one. Which I said was already loose, right? Let's get some extensions. Here. Peek through here. Come on, baby. Oh, wrong one. What the hell am I doing? Damn. I'm in the zone. I'm excited. Let me get these things on. All right, Teddy. That's Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Woo! Yeah. Now you see why you guys don't want to be constantly tightening up these phone arms, right? This is a mess. A hot damn mess. Yeah. Now, when I get out, I'm going to rock the truck by the tire, right? Maybe I have to do it here if I'm strong enough. And what it's going to do is move the differential, right, the axle around. I do that dropping the arm. Once you got one out, the other one come out, without twisting the axle. Differential. Bam. Come on, get out. Hot damn junk out and badass head. Look, when you take these things out too, they just fall all apart. It's terrible. It's too much. All right. So now, clean. I'm gonna clean my new surface area. There. Okay. Clean up. Got all kind of bunch of crud in there right on the install. It's not that good. Yeah, come on. All right. No, I forgot my grease. Like a tad bit. All right, I'm back. Sorry. Okay, so what I'm doing, I don't know if you can see this or not. The bushing right here, the face, is going to contact with the my drop kit, right? My drop brackets. This just helps it from sounding like a damn squeaking sponge type deal. Oh yeah, all these facing down. Face them down. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the Johnny joint in. First, so I'm finding my Dilly Dally. There's one in a hardware kit. I'm not going to use all of their washers. I'm going to use a smaller one. Procop gave me. Bigger one all around. So I'm kind of doing this retarded, but hey. Okay. That part's the easy part. That part, we might need to rotate the diff axle. Whatever you want to have fun calling it. New hardware, I'm just going to leave it loose. And now, let's see where we're at on this. Now, usually the top one, you're going to put pressure on the rear of the diff without screwing something up. So, that's my other bolt. That's not it. That's an old one. Oh, here's the new ones. So now, try to fit it. I'm looking. It's not going to fit. I might be able to rock it at the tire. If not, you gotta jack it up. Yeah, holes not lined up. So now I'm gonna jack it up in the diff rear. Is that where I'm gonna do it? Let me make sure. Thinking about it. No, I think I'm gonna jack it up in front of the diff. Is that what I wanna do? Yep. Oh. Yep, that's it. It's moving. Oh, now it looks like I'm going the wrong way. Oh no, I'm going the wrong way. Whoops. It is what it is. Easy breezy. We'll get it done. Okay, seems like we're getting close to see where we're at. It's my neighbor being nice, nice neighbors. Close. And now it seems like it wants to go. I need to go this way. This son of a whiskey. Oh, I'm getting close. I'm getting close. This can be a pain in the ass sometimes. Alright, sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. Let me do this go. This way. Yep. This ain't gonna want to play games with me, huh? Yeah. Just an ass here. Where you at? Oh, buddy. It's so damn close. It's right there. Got one almost up here. Billy, come on, Billy. Ooh, woo! Alright, the mallet. Yeah. Because I like to use the mallet. Got it. Top one is in. The only thing it needs is torque, and I'll do that kind of last. Hardware kit. New ones on that side. Kind of loosely put this on. And we'll crack the bottom and be done and done. I won't drive the truck around until tomorrow, so I can let my little Loctite dry there up a little bit, you know. It won't cure until about tomorrow this time. It's kind of irrelevant to you. You should wait 24 hours. That, my friends, is relevant to you. Come on. Get. Thanks. Get her. Get. I've messed up my tools hammering on them and stuff, so now it don't work that well. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. Something, something, something. She'll be coming around the mountain. Fuck you. Don't worry. Nobody was hurt except for me in this filming. In the filming of this presentation. Go here. Closet. Here. Now I don't have to worry about dropping the old arm on the new bottom arm. So now let's do the bottom one, and then I'll torque it all up and let it set and give it a ride tomorrow. Oh damn, I gotta get all my decals on here. Oh, I can't wait. Man, let's get it done. Yeah, get on there. Give me something to work with. Damn. Steroids when you need them. No, that's that testosterone booster. Come on. If I had some intelligence, I would help too. Damn. Okay, that's loose enough. Next, stop busting the camera's ass. Okay. How are we gonna do this? This one's the bench press, right? This is the bench press style. Come on, baby, come on. One arm bench. Do it again. It's loose. We're almost there. Finish line's in sight, baby. One more arm, that is it. Man. Okay, so let's get this up in here. Where are you at? There you are. Out. Yep. My arms feel like Jello. Straight, shitty Jello. I'm telling you right now. I'm gonna do this. Come on. Jesus. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Yeah. Oops, what am I doing here? Go. Whoa, camera hit. Damn it. What am I doing wrong? Righty tighty. Lefty. Loosey. Righty. Lefty. Loosey. Come on. You're last. Boy. It hurts. It's good. It hurts. It's good. Good pay. Come on. Get the pay faster. Okay. Let the jack down. It sounds like somebody's WRX over there, Subaru. Hit the cameraman again. Sorry, cameraman. All right, let's see how this arm. See how it wants to come out. Wants to come out easy. Or not. We'll make it come out easy. All right. Looks like it took quite a bit of load on this here. Not that good. Ouch. Dang small junk arms. Now I can't hate too. I made them work, but I shouldn't have to do that. All right. Just makes me hate them. Then they're all falling apart as I'm trying to transport it from one area to another. It's stupid. Okay. All right. Clean session. Here we go. Up. I got something in my damn nostril. That's the car. Not hating. Not one bit. All right, let me get the last arm. I'll be right back. Hit my shoulder on the step. Ooh. All right, I'm back. Got the last arm. Let's go ahead and stick it in. Already know I'm gonna have to mess with it. That sucks. Where's my last bolts, hardware? Oh, the pain. The pain. After pain is pleasure. Okay, this one don't want to go in. You don't want to fit, man. Come on, you go way back, bro. Okay, looks like we're gonna have a little problem here, but that's why we got. Yeah, buddy. Ugh. Oh man, fingers got a little bit off, been out of shape. It's all right. Stupid spawn arms. Don't recommend spawn arms. Never did. I'm not going to. It's almost there. Yeah, they're terrible. Oh, ruin your day. Every day. So you change them out. All right, you normally don't have to do this, especially on a stock vehicle, but this Procon got a little. It's a little tight. It's okay though. Yeah. Get it in there. Be just fine. Life's not all peaches and cream when it comes to modifications, you know. Trial and error and shit that pisses you off. That's how it goes. All right, now here goes something that's gonna piss me off. Trying to get this last one in. It's gonna be an ass. Oh, hot damn. Here we go. All right, last of the hardware. Yes. We are gonna use 2 big ones. That sounds like a plan. See where we're at. Oops. I need to jack it here, it looks like. Hope that doesn't fall down. Well, I'll take it down. Bust something. Jack time. Okay, where did that bring me? Not too much. Watch. Yep, too damn much. Let's see what we can do here. See if we can cheat it. Put this in. Come on, baby. Let's cheat. Come on. Cheat this, man. There you go. Yeah. All right. Now I'm gonna let the jack down and try to rock it in. Okay. Nope. Being a butthole. It's being a butthole. So, what I like to do with buttholes. Come on, butthole. Why is it always the last one? It's a jerk. It's a jerk. Come on, we're almost there. I'm about to get some dinner. Come on. Where you at? Give me something to play with. Give me something here. Okay, let's pop it in. No, you're not in yet. Whoops, not yet. Almost. Here we go. About ready. Right there. Yeah, this washer is huge. Like too big. There we go. There we go, that'll work. Whoops, hitting the wrong shit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, last one and done. Well, we gotta torque it, but that's all I'm gonna show you right here. You know, did it right out on the street. Easy breezy. Not too bad, not too shabby. Pain in the ass. You're already tired though. I'm already tired from work bending metal all day. Come on, buddy. Oh! Ouch. You dick. Oh! Hot damn. It hurt. Real bad. That's some bullshit. Okay. Last one going. Get this one semi-tight, and next videos I'll show you, decals on there, riding around, having a good old time. Yeah, this went straight from my mailbox right onto the truck. That's unbelievable. I have got to feel this badassery. Oh, I'm all over the place. All right, I'm gonna cut you guys short there. I'm gonna work it up. All right, let it rest overnight, go to work. Come back, got a bunch of stuff to do, then I'll give you, give you some video, we'll put the decals on. Go a little bit over and a little bit more. But that's it, that's easy. To your mailbox on the truck, just like that. Badass, these things are robust. Oh, hot dang. Yeah, these are a whole lot beefier than the Spohn. Alright. Yeah. Badass. I'm gonna put the Core 4x4 decals on there. Real nice. Real beefy. Won't watch my panger. Real beefy. Them bushings, they seem like they're, built for Mars. Alright, badass. Oh, damn. Man, real nice. I can't wait to get her all cleaned up. Yeah. Right out on the street, man. That's how we do it. Hell yeah, hot damn. Alright, until next time. Hot damn, it's getting dark. I just put the decal on, and damn, that looks good. That is a real nice decal. Core 4x4 is the Chisnin. Hot damn.